In today's video, I will walk you through how to share Spotify profile. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Look at the top right corner of Spotify. You will see your profile picture or your username. Click that area to open the menu, then choose Profile. This takes you to your personal profile page. On this page, you can see your display name, followers, and public playlists. Next, move your cursor near your name or cover area and look for the three dots. Click the three dots to open the additional options. If the three dots are not immediately visible, move your cursor around the area near your name until they appear. If the Spotify window is very narrow, maximize the window and check again. When the menu opens, hover over Share. A submenu will appear with different ways to share your profile. From that submenu, choose Copy Link to Profile. Once you click this option, Spotify copies your profile link to your clipboard. Now you can paste the link wherever you want to share your profile. To paste the link, use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. You can paste the profile link into a text message, group chat, social media caption, forum post, or email. Depending on where you paste the link, the platform may automatically create a preview showing your Spotify display name and, in some cases, your profile image. If the link appears as plain text instead, the link will still take people directly to your Spotify profile. Before sharing the link, you can also look at your profile to check how your display name and public playlists appear. Once you have copied the profile link, all you need to do is paste it into the location where you want to share it. So, to share your Spotify profile, select your profile picture or username in the top right corner, choose Profile, and then find the three dots near your name or cover area. Click the three dots, hover over Share, and select Copy Link to Profile. The profile link is then copied to your clipboard. Use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac to paste it wherever you want. That's all there is to it. Open your profile, use the three-dot menu, select Share, copy your profile link, and paste it wherever you want to share your Spotify profile. Thank you for watching.